Hey guys, I'm about to unlock this and reorganize the Ingersoll Rand half-inch drive standard socket set. Which, how I'm going to do it is, I'm going to, of course, do it by size. And then once I do it by size, then buy a socket rail to put these on. Because they will fit on a socket rail. I think that's correct. Wait, let me look up the socket sets so that I can get them organized properly by size, because I can't remember. Unless I want to grab the case and put them in the case and then transfer them over. Well, I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, so here's my 12-piece Ingersoll Rand half-inch drive impact standard socket set, how I have it lined up. So I have plenty of room still where I can shove stuff in this area, shove stuff in this whole area as well, which I think I know what I'm going to do. Torque wrench is probably going to go in there if I can fit it in there without the case and all the paper, without the case but with all the paperwork for it, because I'm going to keep the case just in case and try to remove as much of the cases from all my other tools so I can clear up as much room as possible. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab too. YouTube makes videos where you get notified when I post. Bye guys, peace. I'm out.